Hello and welcome back to Coca English, the place where we learn English, one word at a time. I'm Layla.
And I'm Sam. It's so good to have you with us today. On this channel, we make English easy and fun. We talk about one word in every podcast. We explain what it means and how to use it.
That's right, Sam. We want learning English to be a happy time, not a difficult one. So sit back, relax, and let's learn together.
So, Layla, what is our special word for today? It's a big word. It's a happy word. It's a word about love and family.
Oh, I think I know. Is it marriage?
Yes, it is. The word is marriage. That's a wonderful word. So, let's start talking about marriage.
Okay, everyone, let's say the word together. Marriage.
Marriage. M-A-R-R-I-A-G-E. It's a noun.
So, what does marriage mean? In simple words, marriage is when two people decide to be together forever. It is a formal promise. In many countries, when two people get married, they often have a special party called a wedding. They make promises to each other in front of their family and friends.
That's a beautiful explanation, Layla. So, marriage is the relationship between two married people. For example, my parents have a very happy marriage. They have been married for 35 years.
Wow, 35 years. That's a long and happy marriage. We use the word marriage to talk about the institution, the life together. We use the word married to talk about the people. For example, my sister is married to a doctor. Or, are you married?
Exactly. And the verb we use is to marry someone. For example, he wants to marry his girlfriend next year.
Now, Sam, let's think about why marriage is such an important word. It's not just about a party one day. It's about a life together. What do people do in a marriage?
Well, they live together in the same house. They share their lives. They help each other. They cook together. They clean the house together. They watch movies together.
And sometimes they disagree. That's normal. In a good marriage, people talk about their problems. They say, I am sorry. They forgive each other.
Yes, marriage is not always easy, but with love and respect, it is a beautiful thing. It's like a team. You are a team of two people.
A team. I like that, Sam. So, in a football team, players help each other to win. In a marriage, two people help each other in life.
That's a great way to see it. Now, let's talk about how we use this word in sentences. We often use the preposition in. For example, they are in a happy marriage.
We also say a marriage to someone, like, her marriage to Tom is very strong.
And sometimes we talk about the time. They have a marriage of 20 years. That means they have been married for 20 years.
Now, let me tell you a little story. It's about my friends, Anna and Ben. Anna and Ben met at university. They were friends for a long time. Then they fell in love. After 2 years, Ben asked Anna a very important question. He said, Anna, will you marry me?
And what did Anna say?
She said yes, of course. Then they started to plan their marriage. They planned their wedding. It was a beautiful day. All their friends and family were there. Now they are in a very happy marriage. They have 2 children and a small dog.
That's a lovely story. It shows the journey to marriage. First, you are friends, then you are in love, then you decide to get married. But marriage is different in every culture. In some places, a marriage is a very big party with hundreds of people. In other places, it is a small party with only family.
That's true, but the feeling is the same everywhere. It is about love and promise.
We also use the word marriage in other ways, not only for people. Sometimes we talk about a marriage of ideas. For example, this cake is a perfect marriage of chocolate and orange. It means two things go together very well.
Yes, like my marriage to coffee in the morning. I really love my morning coffee.
Layla, I think your marriage to coffee is very strong. But seriously, this is a good point. We can use marriage in a fun way to talk about two things that are perfect together.
Now, let's practice. How can we use this word? Listen to these examples, everyone. Example 1, my brother and his wife have a very strong marriage.
Example 2. After 10 years of marriage, they are still very happy.
Example 3, the marriage between the two companies will help them make better products. See, it's not only for people.
And a question for you, Layla. What is important for a good marriage?
I think communication is very important. You need to talk to your husband or wife. You need to listen. And of course, love and respect.
I agree. And a little humor is important too. You need to laugh together.
Yes, like we do on this podcast. So, to all our listeners, we hope you now understand the word marriage. It is the formal union between two people who want to share their lives. It is a promise of love and support.
It's a big word with a lot of love inside it.
And that's all for today's word. Thank you for learning with us. We hope you enjoyed learning about the word marriage.
Now it's your turn. We have a small homework for you. It's fun, we promise.
Yes, please write a sentence in the comments below. Use the word marriage in your sentence. You can tell us about your parents' marriage or a friend's marriage. Or you can make a fun sentence, like Sam's marriage to football.
Yes, I do love football. We will read all your sentences. It's a great way to practice your English.
Don't be shy, just try. We are here to learn together.
Thank you for listening to Coca English. If you like this podcast, please tell your friends about us.
Until next time, keep learning and smiling. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.